welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing a cook for a collaboration that Googan BBQ had created, and it was supposed to be just something pork rib related, but out of the ordinary, not just, you know, sauce up some ribs, throw them on a grill, cook them up however you cook them, but it's just supposed to be something different. So everybody's favorite uncle, Steve, thank you, buddy. We're going to give this a try, and from what I hear, we're going to be happy with it. Alright, we're back. So as you can see, we're going to use country style pork ribs. Now, country style ribs, in this case, it's just basically the pork loin that has been cut into strips, and they call it country style ribs. Anyhow, we're gonna put these, it's not the best cut either on these short country style pork ribs, but we're going to deal with what we got here. So I'm just going to throw them in this pan because I'm going to let it all braise for a little while. In my braising liquid, that's right, we're going to boil this stuff on the Weber kettle in Budweiser beer. My wife has done this for years with country style ribs. She boiled the ribs in a beer first, and then after she was happy with how long that they had cooked in that beer, then she would put them into a baking dish and sauce them up and bake them. You're going to do what? Bake them. The other thing we're going to do, I'm going to start bringing this Uncle Steve's rib magic or magic rib into the flavors of this. I was going to just shake it on it, but I'm like, no. It's just going to wipe off anyway once you pour the beer on it, so let's let them braise in this seasoning. And then after we get done with the braising, we're going to put them on the grill, smoke them up a little bit, and then we'll probably use some of Uncle Steve's sauce of no name. I don't know, I haven't decided on that one yet. But anyhow, whatever we do, once we dry them off after they've braised and put them on the grill, I'm going to introduce more of this magic rib from Uncle Steve back on top of them as they cook up some more on the kettle. We'll bring you back. All right, we're on the kettle. We're going to get this thing closed up, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, so what we are going to make today is we're making a spicy slaw country style pork rib taco is what I'm going after. So while the country style ribs are braising, I'm going to go ahead and excuse my arm, but I'm going to go ahead and start making the slaw so it can sit in the refrigerator and get ready. So the first thing we've got in here is a quarter cup of mayonnaise. I prefer dupes around here. Just stirring it up a little bit. And the next thing we're going to need is going to be a quarter cup of sour cream. I have to use another spoon because I don't want to contaminate the container. Again, just be close. I'm happy with that. If you're happy, I'm happy. Let's see here. Then we have chipotles. It calls for a half a can. I don't know what they're calling a half a can, but chipotles in an adobo sauce, which is what I've got here. I love them. They're already diced up. Good stuff. So it is calling for, the recipe says, calling for 2 teaspoons. We're going heaping teaspoons because one thing I really like about this recipe, now keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, my wife has always made this recipe. This is probably the 2nd time I've ever tried it, but one of the things I really like about it is the kick that you get from it. So I don't want to skimp on the kick. So we're probably a good 2.5 tablespoons. Next thing we got to use, and I'm probably going to get gigged on this because I know my brother 805 George says you're going to cook this types of food, you need to use fresh product. Well, unfortunately, I could not find any decent limes, so I had to resort to, that's right, the squeezed bottle of lime juice. So this is calling for a tablespoon of this juice. That we got 2 cups of a broccoli slaw, half of a red onion thinly sliced. I'm going to have to put in here to eyeball it because Mr. Sleeper is not a fan of onion. Alright, just so y'all know, that's about what you need to be looking at, somewhere on that lines. I tasted it. I think I need more of a bite. So we're going to go in with another 1.5 teaspoons of that chipotle. Let's give it a taste. I think it's good. Alright y'all, one last ingredient. We're going to go ahead and bring some more of this Uncle Steve's magic ribs and more into the flavor profile here. So let's give it some more of that. It's got like a sweet element to it too, so it could help with a little bit of that, the bite from the chipotles. Alright, we got ourselves some Wheels Scooby Snacks. Those of you who know me, I've ended up adopting a dog, a pit bull. I'm pretty sure we are ready with the finished with the braising stuff. Man, the smell smells so good right now. Alright, y'all are gonna have to apologize for all the traffic noise. Or I'm gonna have to apologize for all the traffic noise, maybe I should say. So we're gonna get these on here, get them sauced up a little bit. We'll throw a couple pieces of pecan wood in there. And I've got to use my cowboy garlic and onion. You people in Texas, I wish y'all share some bags of that stuff and bring it to the East Coast and put it in our stores because I absolutely love that stuff. Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. This stuff rocks, y'all. And we got to get a little bit more of this magic rib seasoning on top. Come on, y'all. You didn't think I was just going to stop at pork, did you? See, we can't get a little bit of smoke on these shrimps for our tacos. Looking good to me. Alright, that's perfect timing. Mama just got home. So let's start building these tacos. Just a little bit of that slaw. Don't need a whole lot of it. much as you want. Some of our pork. I couldn't wait no longer. I had to try that stuff. Then we're going to come in with some of our shrimps. Oh, Russ Jones probably shaking his head. Smoked seafood. I lightly smoked it, Russ. I didn't go heavy with it. And he's right. You shouldn't really, shrimp especially, it's like it's a delicate meat. So if you put too much smoke in it, you're going to overpower the flavor of the shrimp. So I totally understand where he's coming from. I forgot y'all are watching. Let me turn the camera off and get the wife fed. These things are absolutely excellent. Absolutely excellent. We'll be back. Magic rib shake. I'm not BSing because it's Uncle Steve. Yes, he sent me this bottle at no charge. He wanted me to try it to give my opinion to it, and I can't wait to try it again. It's that good. It's excellent stuff. It's a little sweeter than I expected. I was looking for some heat from him, but it's just out of this world. I'm just extremely happy with it. The tacos, I just can't say enough. But Uncle Steve, you not only got me, but you got my wife. Thanks for watching this video. Hope y'all come back and watch some more videos. We have more to come. We're trying to get back into it. Just got down on YouTube for a little while, and we're trying to bring things back around. I think the next thing we're going to do is going to be a breakfast cook. I already have everything for that one, so maybe this weekend. We'll see. Thanks again. My name is Lance. We'll catch you next time.